Say that again.
This is the wonders of what procrastination does to you.
You've decided.
Come up with the best ideas.
You've fashioned a pair of. Would you call them slippers or trainers or sneakers? Sleepers. Out of storage bags from my chicory fake coffee jars that come from Holland and Barrett. It's like a packaging. I order fake coffee online from Holland and Barrett, and it looks like this, chicory, but it comes in this packaging. It's completely over the top packaging. But because I ordered a few, I got a few of these, and my son, I think he's really putting off his physics revision. Am I right? A little bit of procrastination. That looks so comfortable. And you reckon they're springy?
Yeah, a little bit.
Go on then, go on. Nike Airs. See, they're better than bread bags. That's really cool. Go on, get another jump on the spot. Oh, doing a bit of parkour.
Yeah.
What if they burst though? Do you think
No,
they
they
might
won't.
burst?
They don't have enough
Put them on.
pressure. The air pressure's too low.
Is it?
Yeah.
Would you want to put them on gravel?
Yeah.
Hang on. Now I'm procrastinating. Here we go. Oh, what's it? Go out the front. Okay. It works.
Oh wait, I think I popped one.
Did you hear a pop?
There's no air on the left side.
No! Oh, that could have made me a fortune.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
sad times. Oh man, I wanted to have a go on them as well.
Wait, no, we got another one.
So your left slipper's burst.
Wait, but we got another one.
Yeah? Go on then. Hey Casper, look, this is going to make us $1 million.
No.
You really do not want to do your revision.
One's popped out, but you can...
Oh yeah, show me the pop one. Oh look, and once one tube goes, they all go.
No. One tube goes.
Yeah.
This happens.
Oh, okay. And that was on the right foot, you know, the other foot.
Yeah.
So what was the...
way-
Oh, you can feel it. That's where the gravel is.
This is how you
it.
put it on.
Go on. Oh man.
It could do with some redesigning.
I think it's really...
Blippers.
And then can I show you...
Bubble slippers, blippers.
So you're going to try it again, or do you think it's going to happen again? What about the lawn?
Oh yeah.
Hang on.
That's true.
Okay. That seems to work. So it could work as indoor slippers and garden shoes. Are they comfortable?
Yeah.
I really want to try it. Can I try some? I don't know if my feet will fit. Go on then. Can you keep running? So what do you do? Just slide your foot in. Right, so you've got socks. Oh, that feels really good. And can I get the other one?
No.
You really...
$5.
How many topics have you got left to revise for your exam tomorrow?
I did quite a few.
Okay. Hey, this is physics though, right? Just...
How much do you weigh?
39 kilograms. Why, are you trying to work out the force? Oh no, it's squeezing my toes. No, it's squeezing them the wrong way.
They need to be bigger.
Oh, I've got a cramp.
Please don't sue me.
Ow!
Please don't.
Get it off. Oh,
They
no.
weren't big enough for you, in all fairness.
Feet spasmed.
Please don't sue me.
Okay, but well, maybe I just need the right size.
Yeah,
Right, so they're for teenagers then. All the teenagers to be wearing this. Do you want to take it off?
That one's popped, which is a shame.
What, the middle tube? Okay. Got it all bound off into the sunset. So these could be slippers for the summer. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. I couldn't turn this idea into my $1 million idea. But I need to find a bigger storage jar packaging, inflatable packaging, I think. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up if you've reached this point of the video. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next. Oh, so close. So close.